Right now, apps are disappearing from Firesticks, and a lot of people think that means that jailbreaking is finished. It's not. You can still install what you want. You still have control, and nothing important has actually been taken away if you know where to look. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to unlock your Fire TV in 2026, what jailbreaking really means, and how to set it up step by step. No computer, no complicated setup, all in under 5 minutes. This works on almost every Fire TV device, with one exception, and I'll explain in a second. Let's get started. First, a quick reality check. Now, jailbreaking sounds like hacking, but that's not what this is. Real jailbreaking means modifying the system and bypassing security. We are not doing that. On Fire TV, this is simply called sideloading, and it's an official feature. All you're doing is allowing apps from outside the App Store using settings Amazon already built in. Nothing hacked, nothing modified, just unlocking what's already there. If that helped, hit like. It helps more people find this. Now, a quick disclaimer, this is for educational purposes only. I'm not affiliated with Amazon, I don't promote piracy, and nothing here bypasses security. You're just using built-in Fire TV settings, and how you use them is up to you. Now, this part matters. On the Fire TV Stick 4K Select, developer options are still there if you unlock them, but they're basically locked down. You'll only see things like deep sleep, not the settings needed for sideloading. So right now, you can't enable it on that device. That's an Amazon restriction, not something you can fix. If you're using any other Fire Stick, Fire TV Cube or Fire TV TV, this method works perfectly. To install apps that aren't available in the Amazon App Store, we first need an app called Downloader. From the Fire TV home screen, select Find, then choose Search. Using your remote, start typing the word Downloader. As you type, suggestions will appear on the screen. Select Downloader from the list. On the next screen, choose the orange Downloader app and click Get or Download. Once the app has installed, open it. If you're prompted to allow access to files or media, select Allow. Now, this permission is required so Downloader can install apps on your Fire TV. Now we need to allow Downloader to install apps. Go back to the Fire TV home screen. Select Settings. Choose My Fire TV. Select Developer Options. Now, if you don't see Developer Options, select About. Highlight your Fire TV device name. Press Select on your remote 7 times. You'll see a message saying no need, you are already a developer. Press back once and Developer Options will now appear. Now open Developer Options. Select Install Unknown Apps. Choose Downloader and switch it from off to on. Your Fire TV is now ready to install apps from outside of the Amazon App Store. If this step worked for you, comment your Fire TV model below. It genuinely does help other viewers. You can now use the Downloader app to install apps and access download pages. Now, depending on your version, you might see the new number pad button. If you do, just tap that and enter 28907. If you don't see it, no problem, just use the URL box, then hit go. This takes you to my site. To prevent bot attacks from accessing the page and slowing things down for real users, you'll quickly need to generate a token. Just follow the instructions on screen to get your free token. It only takes a few seconds, and that gives you full access to the downloads page for 30 minutes completely free. If any ads or pop-ups appear, just close them the same way you normally would on your device. If you want longer access, there is an option to upgrade using the same token, but that's totally optional. You'll then see a list of download categories. Select any category you're interested in, then choose an app from the list. If you want more information about an app before installing it, select the info link next to the app icon. To install the app, scroll down until you see the light blue download button and select it. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. Once the app finishes installing, select Done, then select Delete and confirm Delete again. Now this removes the installation file and frees up storage space on your Fire TV. You can now find the app in your app screen and start using it. If you've made it this far and everything's working, make sure you're subscribed. I regularly update these guides when Amazon changes anything. And that's it. You now know what jailbreaking actually means, why it still works in 2026, and how to sideload safely using official Fire TV settings. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and share this with anyone using a Fire Stick. But remember, sideloading is only half the battle. If you aren't using a VPN in 2026, your ISP can see exactly which unofficial apps you're using. Don't forget, if you haven't already, you can follow me on X, check out my other channel, unboxd.tech, and join channel memberships for access to our private members-only chat. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.